Comfortable travel outfits for women can take your holiday from good to great. Traveling is so expensive and time consuming to plan, so you really want to feel comfortable on your holiday. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 essential tips to help you choose the right clothes for your travel outfits. Comfort on holidays can add to the experience. Who doesn't want to be comfortable on holidays? These tips are going to help you as well with your everyday wardrobe on feeling comfortable and stylish. I'm Antoinette Stonham. I'm from All About Style. I love to help women dress with confidence, feel good about themselves, no matter what age or body shape they are, and most importantly, love what you see in the mirror. Tip number 1, where are you going? What's the weather going to be like? Are you going to be traveling in the snow? Is it going to be tropical? What's the weather going to be like while you're traveling? Make sure you check your itinerary, check the time of the year you're traveling, and check the different continents and how it's going to work for you, because that's going to help you pack the right garments for the right temperature. And you may be traveling from warm weather to the cool weather. You're going to have to think about what you're going to be packing to make it all work for you. Tip number 2, travel-friendly fabrics. Think about what fabric your garments are going to be made of, because if you're traveling to the hot countries and it's tropical or it's really hot humidity, you need fabrics that are going to breathe. So you're looking at your silks, you're looking at cottons, you're looking at your linens. When you're traveling in the plane or whichever way you're traveling, you want garments that are going to move with you, that are going to stretch with you. That's where you're going to possibly need something is in the polyester, or it's going to stretch. We want to look at the fabrics. That's so important, what the fabrics are, because they make or break your outfit. Tip number 3, know your body shape. It is essential to know your body shape before you start packing, before you go on holidays, and before you start creating your outfits. Knowing your body shape is going to help you create the perfect garments to suit you. Ask yourself, am I a hourglass body shape? An hourglass body shape is when your shoulders and hips are about the same width and you come in at the waistline. Am I a triangle body shape? Am my shoulders are narrower and my hips are broader and I still have a defined waistline? Or am I an inverted triangle where my shoulders are broader and my hips are narrower? Am I a circle body shape where I'm circular here in the middle and I don't have a defined waistline? Or am I a rectangle body shape or a square body shape where I'm quite straight and I don't have a defined waistline? Knowing what body shape you are will help you purchase the right garments and they'll look amazing on you. Tip number 4, know your measurements, because sizes vary from one brand to another and it can become quite confusing. Knowing what your measurements are can help you choose the right size in that specific brand, but really the thing you need to do is try it on and have a look and see how it's sitting, how the garment fits on you, whether it's too tight or whether it's too short or too long or you've got too much fabric. It all adds to the comfort of the garment and the comfort of choosing the right outfit to put together. Tip number 5, shop your wardrobe. This is my favorite part. I know so many women that have got so many garments in their wardrobe. So before you go out shopping, or before you think you need to go out shopping, what I want you to do is go through your wardrobe. You've already got your list. We've done that earlier on. We've had a look at what the temperature's going to be. We've had a look at the changes of seasons that we might be traveling through. So it's time to have a look in that wardrobe and see what's in there. I want you to pull things out and think about it. Is that the right fabric? Is that going to work for me? And I want you to pull them out and lay them down so you can start creating your outfits. Tip number 6, understand the fit. When you're going through your wardrobe, I just don't want you to pull them out and just look at them. I want you to try them on. I want you to see whether they're working for you and see how comfortable they are. If you're trying on pants, see if you can move around really freely in them. Make sure they're not digging into you. Or if you're trying on tops, make sure they're not too plunging, that you're going to be hanging out of them. And make sure you haven't got too much fabric that you're going to be flapping around. That's all comes into comfort. So you want garments that fit you, you want garments that skim your body shape, and that's going to help you select the right garments to create the right outfits. Tip number 7, fill the gaps. in your travel wardrobe, it's time to go shopping. So we've got our temperature, we've got where we're going to be traveling to, and the different possible temperatures there's going to be as we're traveling along. We've got our list of what we need because you've gone through your wardrobe. And now it's time to go out shopping and fill those little gaps. Your travel wardrobe will be all complete when you come back home with your new garments you've purchased. Then you can finish creating your outfits. And don't forget, while you're creating your outfits, try them on, make sure they're working for you. Take some pictures of each outfit so you're not forgetting what you need. Bonus tip is layers. We've looked at the temperature, we've looked at the weather, but we understand that that's all unpredictable and at times it just may switch on us. So we need some layers. I would personally think a jacket, something that goes over, that's not too heavy to carry. And if it gets really, really cold, you can layer underneath. Thermals are fabulous. At first you may think, oh, it's going to be really hot, I may not need them. But if you've got them, they're going to save you. And a jacket you can carry on a plane. You don't have to have it packed. It's not going to add to the weight. And thermals are very light and very warm. If you found these tips helpful, comment below and let me know how they've helped you. While you're here, make sure you check out the All About Style YouTube channel for my other videos to help you.